In this session, we will cultivate the feeling of gratitude. Adjust your position so that you are relaxed and all of your muscles can let go. You can move at any time during this session in order to give you maximum comfort. Allow your eyes to gently close. Take a big, deep breath in and out. Take another breath in and bring into your mind the feeling of gratitude. Now notice where in your body is this feeling of gratitude being expressed. Do you feel it rise in your heart? Perhaps your abdomen? Wherever you feel these sensations, study the quality of them. Are they subtle or not so subtle? You may feel grateful for something you have. Bring into your mind those objects you are grateful for, such as your house and your bed. Breathe deeply into your thoughts as you imagine these things. And as you exhale, whisper to yourself, "Thank you." Express gratitude for those you know. Allow this person, people, and even animals to rise in your mind. See them clearly. Breathe deeply into your imagination. Perhaps you can even hear how they sound. As you breathe out, whisper to yourself, "Thank you." Become grateful for yourself, your health, your wisdom, your kindness. Be grateful for those times you stood up for yourself or for someone else. Be grateful for your ability to love others. Breathe in deeply, imagining that you can give yourself a big hug and whisper, "Thank you." Now express gratitude for even the smallest things. Whatever small things pop in your mind now, be grateful for them. Breathe in again, feeling the importance of even the little things. And exhale, whispering to yourself, "Thank you." Take a nice deep breath in and be grateful for your breath, bringing you life. Letting your breath go, your body sinking deeper into relaxation. Practice the art of gratitude little by little every day. Gracious, grateful, gratitude. Whenever you are ready, rise from your meditation and open your eyes.